Check out this fun birthday bash kit. It comes with 4 gift bags and 4 gift cards. Everything you need is included inside, including the twine and the ribbon for the bags. Take a look at how big these bags really are. So you have tags that you can tie on here with holographic foil accents. So you can see here it's really quite large enough for a large candle or all kinds of goodies inside. And then there are coordinating gift cards as well. You can mix and match these, but I feel like this goes well with this one. But all the colors are the same. Inside you've got a Celebrate You with the holographic foil, and then a little pocket for you to place your gift card inside. So I love this little wrapping belly band that you can put across with your bow and your little tag there. I don't have the blue one to show you. It's up on the wall, but that's the belly band, and you can see where it's got a star pattern on here. So that is the birthday bash kit. Again, you get 4 bags, 4 gift cards. It's a great deal. You can find this kit and more on my website, creatingwithchristine.com.